Yeah, good morning guys. Good morning to one and all. And now let's move ahead to the next topic. I hope you can see on the screen. And yesterday we have done with this. I hope you remember we have covered all the 5 types of articles in the first right, that is called as right of equality, right? Let's revise one more time quickly. A right of equality. What was right of equality? Let's start with this. Right of equality, article number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 14 was, we have 2 types. One was equality before law. इसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि लॉ के सामने सब लोग क्या है, इक्वल है. अगेन वन मोर टाइम, इन फ्रंट ऑफ लॉ एवरीवन इज इक्वल. सो आई टोल्ड यू द एग्जांपल ऑफ सचिन, अमिताभ, तुषार पहाड़े और एनी पर्सन. और कोई बंदा झोपड़ी में रहता होगा, इफ ही स्टेज इन स्लम एरिया और ही स्टेज इन व्हाट इज से बिग बिग बंगलोज, डजंट मैटर, फॉर लॉ एवरीवन इज इक्वल. सेकेंड वन वाज प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लॉ. इसमें मैंने आपको बहुत एग्जांपल दिए थे. आई टॉट यू दैट कि व्हेनेवर द कंसेप्ट ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लॉ इज देयर, वी अंडरस्टूड द एग्जांपल ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल. एंड आई टॉट यू दैट logically we all feel, we all know that male females are equal, but then I told you in reality when it comes to physical power, physical strength, females are little bit weaker compared to male. There are safety issues, there are issues of other things, you know that. So because of this, government has given the safety, the precaution, the reservation to females, and according to this, male are like this, females are like this. So law has given some protection so that male female both comes equal. Same goes with senior citizen, same goes with SC ST, same goes with Hindu Muslim, same goes with the handicapped person, and like this. So this is how people understand the concept of equal protection of law. Then 15 and 16 both were discrimination, but 15 was कौन सा था? Religion, race, sex, religion, race, caste, सेक्स और प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ. ये 5 बातों पे आप डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है. ये आपको मैंने समझाया था. देन we understood the concept of 16 number. What was the 16 article? Employment. Where the topic of employment is there, we understood the 16 also. 17, I told you about untouchability. Untouchability. What is untouchability? What is untouchability? I told you untouchability is a crime, and if you behave like this, I have shown you the example of that AIDS, example of corona, example of leprosy, all examples where you treat someone as a what to say, अछूत, उससे बात मत करो, उससे दूर रहो, like this. If you treat someone like this, it's a crime. It's a crime. And last one was abolition of title. I told you about title also, right? So we understood these 5 articles yesterday in detail. Now we'll go with the next article. जिसका नाम है हमारे articles of freedom. Articles of freedom. Articles of freedom, right? Now freedom what? Freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of belief, like this, right? So I told you all this thing. Now understand, we have this whole thing to understand. Please go with this completely. What it says, article 19 gives the freedom of a person of speech and expression. Understand everything one by one. Speech and expression. Speech, oral speech, written speech. You have all rights to write something on the paper. We can present a cartoon. I hope you have seen that example of so sorry. I'll show you the example of India today. So sorry. Yes. I hope you heard about this so sorry. Should I show you one scene of that? Oh God, it will take ad. Let me skip this. 1 minute. Yeah, we'll go with this. Again, it's showing ad. Wait. Wait, I'll take you to YouTube. Now you can see. Now please focus on this. So sorry, I'll show you one example and then I will tell you the purpose which I am showing you, right?
दौड़ेगा भागेगा बाबा ऑल सीजन्स के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. आई एम अ मैन ऑफ ऑल सीजन्स.
So sorry. यानी आसमान में उड़ता था जो बादलों के पीछे, आज आया है ड्रैगन जमीन पे नीचे। ड्रैगन जमीन पर रह के भी आसमान में उड़ता है। मेरा नाम है चिन चिन चू। किस खेत का मूली है तू? यानी तुम्हारे जैसे ड्रैगन फ्लाई हमारे यहाँ उस मूली के खेत पर उड़ते हैं और हम उन पर दवा स्प्रे करते हैं। शेर सिंह, ये लो चीनी मोबाइल, चीनी ऐप, चीनी माल। हम खैरात नहीं लेते ड्रैगन फ्लाई। शरीर के लिए देसी गुड़ और देश के लिए देसी गुड़। जंग में हम तुम पे भारी है, तुम हमको हरा नहीं सकते। हम तुम्हें हराएंगे और जरूर हराएंगे। बंदूक भी हमारी होगी और गोली भी हमारी होगी, लेकिन सीना तुम्हारा होगा। शेर सिंह, हमारे पास नूडल्स हैं, मोमोज हैं, चाउमीन। तुम्हारे पास क्या है? मेरे पास सीमा है और इस सीमा के इस पार आने की कोशिश ना करना। शेर सिंह, गुस्सा थूक दो। हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई। ड्रैगन सेठ, ये पुराना हो गया, अब नया है हिंदी चीनी बाय बाय। जय हिंद।
Great. So I hope you understood what example I have showed to you. समझ में आया example आपको? What I am trying to just prove by this example, it is the example of what? Freedom of speech, expression. उसने मोदी को क्या किया? I hope you can see Modi was given a character of शेर सिंह, lion, है ना? वैसा दिया गया. When you see some more examples of this, फिर उसमें राहुल गांधी भी आते हैं, ममता बनर्जी भी आती है, अमित शाह भी आता है. So he does the caricature. Now is it a crime? लॉ बोलता नहीं सर, इट इज अ फंडामेंटल राइट. यू कैन पोर्ट्रे, यू कैन मेक कार्टून्स, यू कैन मेक वर्ड्स. मैं भी बोलता हूँ ना, मैं अपने कितने बार इस पे बोलता हूँ एग्जाम्पल में कि मैं मुस्लिम को ऐसा बोल दूंगा, ऐसा कर दूंगा. मेरा राइट है ये, मैं बोल सकता हूँ. आपको पंगे है, आपको तकलीफ है, आप मेरे पे केस करो, आप मेरे को मारो, मारो भाई, मारो मारो, लेकिन मैं बोल सकता हूँ. मैं बोल सकता हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरा अधिकार है. ठीक है ना? मेरे को फंडामेंटल राइट दिया गया है. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? दिस इज हाउ इट इज टॉपिक, राइट? सो इट इज स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन. आई विल टीच यू एवरीथिंग क्लियरली. देन सेकंड इज असेंबल पीसफुली एंड विदाउट आर्म्स. व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड? असेंबल पीसफुली एंड विदाउट आर्म्स. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड अगेन? दैट इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर अ हंगर स्ट्राइक, यू वांट टू डिमांड समथिंग, अगर आपको कुछ डिमांड करना है, आप स्ट्राइक कर सकते हो, आप एक जगह असेंबल हो सकते हो. लेकिन ध्यान रखना, वेन एवर यू असेंबल, यू शुड असेंबल विदाउट आर्म्स. विदाउट आर्म्स का मतलब सर हाथ के बिना. अच्छा, व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ आर्म्स? बता, अपने अपने घर पे हाथ रख के आ जाना. यू विल नॉट ब्रिंग योर आर्म्स. इज इट सो? एनीवन नोज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड आर्म्स? सिंपल आंसर, असेंबल पीसफुली एंड विदाउट आर्म्स. वेपन्स. ग्रेट, ग्रेट वासुदेव, ग्रेट जतिन. वेपन्स, ठीक है. यू शुड नॉट bring weapons from your home and you should sit on a strike. So there पंगे हुए तो we will shoot anyone like this. You should not bring. So we call it as a arms and ammunitions. Arms and ammunitions. So we will not bring the arms, weapons, right? Simple भाषा में. Then can you form associations? Can you form associations? Yes or no? Can you form associations? Yes. So can you form association like Ankita Madam Fan Club? Yes or no? Ankita Madam Fan Club. Can you form association site? Srinath Sir Fan Club. Yes. Can you make Anti Tushar Sir Club? 3 options are given. Ankita Madam Fan Club, Srinath Sir Fan Club, Anti Tushar Sir Club. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. You can make all these 3. Trust me. You can make all these 3. You can make all these 3. So Tushar sir, anti Tushar sir, hate Tushar Pahade club like this, yes, you can make this. You can make this. You can make this. If you have some people who don't like me, you can gather people and you can make association. No issues. But now let's move ahead. If you want to make Osama Laden fan club, Dawood Ibrahim fan club, now what about this? If you make anti Tushar Pahade or Tushar Pahade hate club, I am okay with this. But sir, Dawood Ibrahim fan club, it is anti social element, anti national element. आप गद्दार हो, गद्दार. ऐसा नहीं possible है, ऐसा नहीं possible है. If you do all this thing, you will go to jail. So you have, what I am trying to say, you have rights to make association. अभी अब अंकिता मैडम शादी नहीं की है ना, और श्रीनाथ सर की शादी नहीं हुई है, और जतिन सर की शादी कल है, बट मेरी शादी हो चुकी है. तो क्या मैं एक ग्रुप बनाऊं जिसमें कि मैं लिखूं कि पुरुष प्रताड़ित समाज, है ना, पुरुष, अभी लोगों को मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन क्या पुरुष प्रताड़ित समाज, ऐसा कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ऐसी कोई संस्था यहाँ पे जो पुरुष प्रताड़ित होता है, परेशान होता है, हैरेसमेंट होता है, उसका एक समाज बनाया जाए. महिला प्रताड़ित होता है, पुरुष प्रताड़ित नहीं होता है. तो क्या पुरुष प्रताड़ित, सर कई लोग बोले सर हिंदी बोल रही है आपने बहुत बड़ा, व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड? मतलब मेन जिसका शोषण होता है, एक्सप्लॉयटेशन होता है. अब श्रीनाथ सर को मालूम नहीं है, जतिन सर को मालूम पड़ेगा अभी अगले महीने से, अगले हफ्ते से, ठीक है. अंकिता मैडम को टेंशन नहीं है क्योंकि वो फीमेल है, वो उनका हस्बैंड ही क्या रहेगा, परेशान हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना. तो वैसे हम तीन लोग हैं बेचारे, इनोसेंट पुरुष, हम तीनों इनोसेंट पुरुष. क्या हम तीनों मिलकर के ऐसा कोई एसोसिएशन बना सकते हैं क्या? पुरुष प्रताड़ित समाज. महिलाओं के लिए होता है ना, फीमेल्स के लिए होता है. व्हाट अबाउट हम लोग जैसे लोगों के लिए? क्या हम ऐसी संस्था बना सकते हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग जिनका शोषण होता है, द पीपल लाइक अस हु गेट्स एक्सप्लॉइटेड, कैन वी मेक अ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक दिस? यस और नो? यस और नो बताइए. बना सकते हैं. Can you repeat this example in English? I told you, like, look, there are some examples which I always be taken in Hindi only. Anyways, I will take example. I am saying that there are normally in our country it is assumed that females are exploited. Females are being exploited, and always the person who exploit is male. It is said that, but it is important. No, we can have a situations where there are some innocent male like us, like me, who are getting exploited by the wives. So can we make an association where we want relief from the wives? So I can know this better because I know this. But what about Jatin sir? He will know. He will come to know next week, right? He will come to know next week. Srinath sir will come to know maybe within 6 months. Ankita madam will not come to know. Her husband will come to know, right? So, anyways. So what about, I am talking, take it lightly, don't take it literally. ना ही मैं परेशान हूँ, ना ही कोई परेशान होने वाला, ठीक है. Just take it in a way. So can we make a association like this, where we file a case on these people, or we are association where all the people in the country who are very much frustrated men, they can be a part of the association like this. Can we make a group? Can I make a group? Answer is yes, I can make a group. So why not? Why not? But if we make a association where we want to go for a dowry group, dowry management group या club, where we make sure that how to collect dowry. If there are people who are not able to understand how to take dowry from the people, so this management company helps them to collect dowry from the people. Dowry सब जानते हैं, dowry मतलब दहेज, है ना. So there is a group, जैसे शादी कराने की ग्रुप होती है, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनियां होती है, वैसे वी हैव सम कंपनीज एसोसिएशन कॉल्ड एज डाउरी ग्रुप, है ना, डाउरी मैनेजमेंट. So if some family doesn't know how to extort dowry, so they can approach to this management company, and this company can make a thing ki, okay, if you can ask for dowry, we will help you to take dowry of 20 lakh rupees and we will take 10% commission, like this. So 18 lakh rupees will go to whom? Will go to the family of that bridegroom, है ना. हस्बैंड की फैमिली को कितने मिलेंगे? 18 लाख रुपए, एंड 2 लाख रुपए किसका कमीशन हो जाएगा? उस कंपनी का. लाइक दिस. कैन वी मेक सच ग्रुप्स? नो. बट वॉट एवर आई टोल्ड यू, मेल फीमेल, वो सब बिल्कुल अलाउड है सर. So anyway, I hope you understood this meaning of this third word. You can form association, you can form union, you can ask for your rights, everything. It is all allowed, right? Then fourth and fifth are very important. Fourth, move freely throughout the territory of India. Allowed? Yes sir, allowed. But can we have exception? Trust me, everything has exception. Everything has exception. Everything has exception. Actually I need to teach you like this. Everything is there, but please understand all the restriction, all the freedom which I am teaching you, all the freedom which I will teach you, please focus on this. All the restriction must be reasonable, and there should be a restriction. All the rights have restriction, and I hope you should understand why yes or why no. First of all is, you can give any speech and any expression. Any speech. Is it a right? Yes sir. But can you give any speech? Can you give a speech which is derogatory to women? If I just give us example, I hope you have seen many examples of rape case. Whenever there is a rape case, there are many people, 99% people who are blaming the men and all. But let's say, if I am just taking example, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Just example. If I am a person who comes to the mic and say कि rape तो होना ही था. The girls are wearing this short skirts, mini skirts. So rape तो होना ही है sir. If girls are going 10 p.m. and they are going for a party, rape तो होना ही है sir. If they are drinking alcohol, so rape तो होना ही है sir, और होना ही चाहिए sir. If I give such a statement, is it a fundamental right? Tell me yes or no. Please again, I'll do like this. मैं हाथ जोड़ता हूं आपके, मैं ऐसा आदमी नहीं हूं. Just to give you a sense of understanding. If I use such words, will you forgive me? And is it my fundamental right to speak anything, sir? You can speak anything. So I have kept my point of view. I have kept my point of view. It is my point of view. So is it a proper point of view? And do you think that it is my fundamental right? Do you think so? No sir, बिल्कुल नहीं, गलत बोला मैंने. But sir, it is written, you have a freedom of expression. It means you have a right to speak. But it should not be something which is against females or something against India. If tomorrow if I say, if India-China goes for a war, if I say India-China goes for a war, India will not win. India will not win. I don't know आपके पास मेरे पास अभी वो example है कि नहीं. I'll try and I'll make you to listen to this. I'll make sure if it is possible or not. Give me 1 minute, right? So if I can use such words that if there is a war between India and China, India will lose because China is more powerful and India will lose, right? So it is like that example, right? So understand understand my example. So what I'm trying to say, every examples have reasonable restriction, and this is example for you. I will leave you to read these 8 points. You will understand my points. What are the restrictions? What are not covered under? What are not covered under these points? I will give you this point just to read it out. One minute. I'm playing something. I hope you can listen to this.
बच्चे बताते भी नहीं है, तो अब टेस्ट के दौरान ही पेरेंट्स को साथ साथ ही पता चलेगा कि बच्चा कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहा है। सर आप होल्ड कीजिएगा, मैं आपकी कॉल ट्रांसफर कर रही हूँ
From
आपके बच्चे
beginning,
की
okay.
क्लास में ही, तो वो बैठा।
Please listen to this.
एक्चुअली इसका
I'll take a
टेस्ट
break of
अभी
2
शुरू
minutes.
होने वाला है,
Meanwhile.
तो सारे बच्चे इकट्ठे बैठ के टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, तो मैं आपकी कॉल ना ट्रांसफर करने वाली हूँ।
तो आप बीच में मुझे क्यों फोन कर रहे हैं?
सर एक्चुअली हमने ये पहली बार किया है कि जैसे टेस्ट होता है फिर बाद में पेरेंट्स को पता चलता है और बच्चे बताते भी नहीं है, तो अब टेस्ट के दौरान ही पेरेंट्स को साथ साथ ही पता चलेगा कि बच्चा कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहा है। सर आप होल्ड कीजिएगा, मैं आपकी कॉल ट्रांसफर कर रही हूँ आपके बच्चे की क्लास में ही, तो वो बैठा ही है वहाँ पे।
आप चलो कर दो ट्रांसफर कॉल।
चिल्ड्रन सिट प्रॉपर्ली, सब आराम से बैठिए। हेलो
हेलो,
या मिस्टर गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
हाय सर, मैं इनके मैथ्स का टीचर हूँ, सो आपका बेटा भी है इधर। तो सर टेस्ट शुरू होने वाला है, मैं आपको ना सिर्फ 2 ही मिनट में बता दूंगा कि ये कैसा कर रहे हैं, राइट?
ठीक है।
तुम सबसे आगे बैठो, इधर आओ। हाँ ज्योति मैडम, ज्योति मैडम आपको लगता है ये कर पाएगा? ये कर ही नहीं पाएगा।
आई डोंट थिंक सो इससे कुछ होगा।
नहीं ये कर ही नहीं पाएगा बेटा, नहीं कर पाओगे आप, ये मुश्किल है।
हेलो, एक्सक्यूज मी।
यस सर।
तो बच्चे को करने तो दो, करेगा वो, क्यों नहीं करेगा?
मेरे को लग ही नहीं रहा सर कर पाएगा।
कि आप उसको करने दोगे तभी तो पता लगेगा ना वो कर पाएगा या नहीं कर पाएगा। नहीं ऐसे तो आप बच्चे का मोरल ही डाउन कर रहे हो, उसका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल खत्म कर रहे हो आप। तो ये कोई तरीका है? तो स्टार्ट तो करने दो, स्टार्ट तो करने नहीं दे रहे आप, पहले उसकी हिम्मत तोड़ रहे हो बच्चे की।
आपने इससे पहले क्या किया है? मैं बच्चे का क्या कर रहा हूँ? क्या कहा आपने?
हिम्मत तोड़ रहे हो बच्चे की।
एग्जैक्टली ऐसे ही पिछले कई दिनों से फेसबुक पे आप हिम्मत तोड़ रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान की। फेसबुक पर यह लिखकर कि अगर जंग होती है चाइना और इंडिया की, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इंडिया जीत पाएगा। पहली बात तो मैं यही नहीं चाहता कि जंग हो किसी भी मुल्कों में, लेकिन अगर कभी होती भी है तो आप जैसे लोग तो मोराल खत्म कर देंगे हमारे फौजियों का। आपके बच्चे ने टेस्ट शुरू भी नहीं किया था और मैंने ये कह दिया कि इससे हो नहीं पाएगा। लगा ना आपको कि अब ये कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा?
देखिए मेरी बात सुनिए,
आप
मैं
मेरी बात
आपको
सुनिए, सुनिए आप मेरी बात सुनिए, अब आप कुछ मत बोलिए। मैं रेडियो मिर्ची से नवेद बोल रहा हूँ। ये किसी ने मुझे लिंक भेजा था, मैंने जब आपके पेज पे जाके देखा, आप पिछले 1 महीने से यही कर रहे हैं कि अगर चाइना से हमारी जंग होती है तो हम उनसे जीत नहीं पाएंगे।
लेकिन आप मेरी बात सुनेंगे
आप
तो मैं
मेरी बात
आपको
सुनेंगे।
एक्सप्लेन।
जिस इंसान को अपने मुल्क से यही उम्मीद ना हो कि वो जीत सकता है, उस इंसान से क्या बात करूं मैं? जिस इंसान को अपने फौजियों पर, अपनी आर्मी पे भरोसा ही नहीं हो, उस इंसान से क्या बात करूं मैं? और ये बच्चा तो सिर्फ आपका है, मुल्क हम सबका है, और आपको उम्मीद नहीं है इस बात से। ये चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट ना खरीदना, चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट को तोड़ देना, ये जरूरी नहीं है। जरूरी ये है कि हमारे फौजियों का हौसला बढ़ाना, क्योंकि वो खड़े हुए होते हैं वहां पर। जब हमारे फौजियों को ये लगने लगेगा ना कभी खुदा न खास्ता कि हमारे हिंदुस्तान में रहने वाली जनता ही हम पे भरोसा नहीं करती, तो क्या खाक लड़ेंगे वो? और वो उनके लिए लड़ेंगे जिन्हें उम्मीद नहीं है उन पे।
गलती हो गई।
आपने सारे जहां से अच्छा सुना है?
हाँ जी।
सारे जहां से अच्छा की एक लाइन है जो हम गुनगुनाते नहीं है। वो लाइन कुछ ऐसी है, कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जमा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा। अब एक काम करिए आप, अगर ये चीज आप तक पहुंच गई है तो इसको हर इंसान तक पहुंचाएं, ताकि ये हर फौजी के कान तक पहुंच जाए कि हम उनके साथ हैं। प्लीज करिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।
चलिए भाई, समझ में आया? आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस एग्जाम्पल। दिस वॉज अ स्मॉल मैसेज फ्रॉम माई साइड ऑल्सो, एंड साथ में नावेद को सब जानते ही, आरजे नावेद, और साथ साथ में मैंने आपको दोनों चीजें भी कवर करवा दिया। राइट, पर्पस समझ में आ गया आपको? पर्पस क्या था? पर्पस वॉज जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट नो वन कैन पुट एनीथिंग ऑन फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम और एनीवेयर if you derogate your country. Read these points, what I am saying. You cannot put something which is derogatory to the integrity of India. You will not do something which is security of the state. You will not put something which will harm the relationship with the other states, other countries, right? Public order, decency and morality, I told you. Here the example of woman will come. Decency and morality, right? Contempt of court. What is contempt of court? If court has said something, you will not behave like this, and you are still behaving like this. It's called as contempt of court. Defamation, you know, if you defame name of some person, if you do something which is wrong for some person like this, and incitement of an offense, you Incite means किसी को उकसाना, कुछ ऑफेंस करने के लिए. You are trying to induce someone to do the offense. If you do all this thing, it is restriction. So I hope you understood Dawood Ibrahim fan club. Can you make like this? No, sir. It is it will come under security of state. It will come under decency and morality. It will come under public order. Right? If you come under like, if you say women's hate club, no sir, you can't do with this. तुषार सर ठीक है सर, वो तो एक बंदे के चलो आ जाएगी, बट आई विल अगेन फाइल अ सूट ऑन यू फॉर डिफेमेशन. डिफेमेशन. इफ यू से तुषार सर हेट क्लब, डिफेमेशन. एंड इफ आई गिव सम स्टेटमेंट अबाउट फीमेल कि वो तो ऐसी होती है, इफ ऐसे कि SC ST लोग, बैकवर्ड क्लास के लोग ऐसे वैसे, इफ आई डू सम स्टेटमेंट्स लाइक दिस, people will not forgive me, and people will not forgive me, it doesn't mean they will beat me up and all this thing. It means that they can file a fundamental case against me. Right. So this is called as reasonable restriction. So I am just trying to teach you that whatever we are discussing, the first point was speech and expression. You have a right to speak. Yes, sir. You can assemble peacefully, but without arms, sir. If you try to block the road, if you want to assemble in a in front of parliament and what, you can do it. Yes, sir, you can do it. And there are people who go for strike, hunger strike. कितने बार तो strike होती है sir. But how they do strike? They normally take a place, एक normally कोने में बैठते हैं, and they put a tambu and bond, then tent and all, and then sit, relax, शांति पूर्वक. They are asking for their demands. That's it. But if they are taking bomb, they are taking the rifles, pistol, all this thing, then sir, we need to take action. Right? So like this. Form association. Can you form association? I told you. Yes, sir. Can you move freely through the territory of India? Yes, sir. But do we have exception? Yes, sir. Corona. In Corona, there was a concept of lockdown. Now you will say, it's my fundamental right. It's my fundamental right. I will move freely through the territory of India. Very good example of Corona now. And Corona is what? Right or exception? Exception. That you don't have a right freely. If Corona is not there, can you freely move anywhere in the territory of India? Yes, sir. Today also, in the night, 10 p.m. to 5 p.m., 5 a.m., is it allowed to move anywhere? No. Can they arrest you also? Can they tell you to go back home? Yes. If they found you roaming here and there at 12 midnight or 1 midnight, they will tell you. Because today also, the 10 to 5 rule is applicable. They have just relaxed for daytime. Relax for daytime. Can you cross the cities? Can you go to containment zones? No, sir. Everything is exception. Exception. Can you go and reside anywhere? Anywhere in the part of territory of India? Can you go and reside anywhere in the part of territory of India? No, sir. No, sir. Right? And can you practice any profession? Yes, sir. You can practice, provided you should be doctor. Remember yesterday's example? Tushar sir gave examples to 2-3 people, and he gave medicine to 2-3 people, and he treat himself as a doctor. Can I call him myself doctor? No, sir. Can you use the word CS before your name? No. Will you use in future? Yes, sir. You need to be a CS first of all. But before that, you will not use. It is unethical. It is wrong. It's not a fundamental right. But once you become CS, no one will stop you also. So can you carry on any profession? Yes, sir. Any occupation? Yes, sir. So can Tushar Pahade tomorrow start a beer bar or a pub, bar and restaurant? Can you start a disco? Tell me answer of this. Can you start a beer bar or a wine shop? Yes or no? Can I start a beer bar or a wine shop? Yes or no? Is it my fundamental right to carry on any occupation, any trade, any business? Yes, I have. But then you need to remember, provided you need to take a license. You need to take a license. Can I start this example of that motor vehicle driving school? Can I start? Yes, Vasudev, good answer. Can I start a driving school? Yes, Betin, good. Isha, perfect. Now, next question. Can I start a driving school? Driving school. I have 10 to 15 cars with me, and I have started driving school. I have kept some driver and all, and I started this. Can I start driving school? Yes, sir. Provided you need to take a approval of RTO, Road Transport Authority. You need to approach to RTO, and then you need to take the permission from them, and then you will do that. Without permission of RTO, you can't. Right? So understand my point. Can you start a factory? Yes, sir. But can you start a factory within city limits? Have you seen factories? Have you seen factories having chimney and all within city limits? No, sir. Factories are always outside the city limits. So what I'm trying to say, everyone has rights, occupation, but then everything has some restriction. What I'm trying to say, all the 6 points which I've taught you have some restriction. And I hope you understood that these restrictions are very important. These restrictions are very important. Why important? Because, sir, if you give it free play, anyone can use it anywhere. कोई भी बंदा कुछ भी बोलेगा फिर. कोई भी बंदा कुछ भी बोलेगा किसी को भी. And it is not allowed to say anything to anyone. If I do something, if you say something in fun for Rahul Gandhi is different. If you say something for fun to a female is something different. Try to understand difference. Now Rahul Gandhi said something to Modi ji, surrender Modi. You have heard about this. He said something to Modi, surrender Modi. Can you file a case on Rahul Gandhi? No, sir, no need, because he is giving a adjective to that person, saying that you have surrendered like this thing. If I take money from you people and if I do not teach you people, can you call me teacher Tushar rather than you will call me cheater Tushar? Can you call me cheater Tushar? Yes, you can call me. Because I have done something like this, so you can call me. It's not defamation. It's your fundamental right. You can speak and you have putting your point of view. You can do that. You can do that. So if you say something to Modi खराब है, अच्छा काम नहीं करता, that's perfect all right. तुषार सर खराब है, ढंग से नहीं पढ़ाते, perfect all right. So it's your opinion. You have right to say. If you have right to say, Ankita madam खराब पढ़ाती है, you have right to say. But if you put something derogatory comments on Ankita madam, it is wrong. It is wrong. Are you getting my example? You have all the rights to say, तुषार सर आप बहुत ही घटिया पढ़ाते हो, अंकिता मैडम आप ढंग से नहीं पढ़ाते हो, जतिन सर आप ढंग से नहीं पढ़ाते हो. You can say. जतिन सर आपने तो 2 दिन हो गए क्लास लिया नहीं है. You have a right to say. So we have told you that he is getting married, so he will not take another 3-4 days. Okay sir, ठीक है. But you have a right to ask question. Why? You have a right, and you have a right to speak. You have all the rights which I have taught you, but then with a decency. I hope you understood this. We have some restriction. We have some way of talking, way of behavior. You can't do something which will hurt or harm someone's image. Harm someone's image. Are you getting my examples? And I hope you got got the examples very perfectly. It's good, right? Because my USP is examples only. If you want to understand law from me, my USP is example. Without examples, this law will be boring, and I can bet you no one who is watching this video will feel bored because of my examples, right? Because of my examples. So I hope you get the meaning of these examples, what I have taught you. Again, we have some flowchart for this, same, but it is a waste of page, nothing else. What are the restrictions? So same restriction, you have all the restrictions which will harm the sovereignty of India, security of state. You will not say something, the example which I have shown you right now, India, China, RJ Naved will come under this category. That the people of country are saying that India is very small country and they are not able to beat China and all. How you can say all this statement in front of public? Not allowed, right? If you can harm some state relation with this thing, public order will come under Corona, MHA, Ministry of Health Affairs. If Modi ji and all the government of India said that you should not do this, that's not a freedom of your thing. You can move anywhere in the territory of India. Yes, sir, you move, but you need to wear the mask. No, sir, I will move anywhere without mask, without anything. मजाक चल रहा है यहाँ पे. You need to wear the mask. वो रूल रहेगा आपसे, ठीक है ना. Decency, morality will come under the respect towards women, respect towards elder people, respect towards the Indian idols. Not Indian idols, मतलब Indian idol वाला Indian idol नहीं. भगत सिंह, महात्मा गांधी, Jawaharlal Nehru, whatever people are doing, that's okay. But Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Bahadur Shastri, you have heard about all these things in history, and you need to respect all these people. You can't do derogatory comments on this, right? Contempt of court, defamation, everything I have told you. So it's a waste of page anyhow, repeat of same thing unnecessarily. Then Article 21, very important. Very important. 21. Protection of life and personal liberty. Very simple line. Protection of life and personal liberty. Very simple line. Protection of life and personal liberty. Now, I will give you this line and I will ask you the name. I will ask you one name. I hope you have heard about this person. The person's name was Aruna Shanbag. Can anyone knows about her? If anyone knows about her, Aruna Shanbag. Aruna Shanbag. Yes or no? Aruna Shanbag. Just say yes or no. If you don't know, that's okay. I will teach you. Adesh, okay. And do not do it Google and all. Just try to give me the answer quickly. Jatin says yes. Krishna says no, I don't know. Perfect. It's okay, it's okay. If you don't know, that's perfect. All right, I will teach you. Aruna Shanbag. Okay. Very important thing to understand. Aruna Shanbag. Right. She was a nurse. Yes, she was a nurse, and like this was a story of her. She was born in 1948, and in 1973, when she was of around 37 years of age, around 1973, she was a nurse in the Edward, and then she was sexually assaulted. Like in short, she was gang raped. And what happens after that gang rape is, from that time till when she died in 2015. Understand this line. She died in 2015, but before 15, after being a persistent vegetative state for nearly 42 years. 1973 she was gang raped, and from 1973 to 2015, 42 years. 42 years she was like this. She was like this. It's a very sad story, and I hope you have seen that movie Gujarish of Hrithik Roshan and I guess Katrina Kaif. No, Aishwarya Rai. Gujarish movie. Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya Rai. If you have seen that movie of Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya Rai, Gujarish movie was based on this character. This somehow. This person was around for 42 years, not able to stand, not able to walk, not able to speak, nothing for 42 years. 42 years. 73, she was into mental shock after obviously a gang rape. She went into a mental shock. And after that mental shock, from 73 to 2015, 42 years she was into that. So now what I am trying to say by this example, why I took this example, because there was an article number 21, and 21 is right. What happened some years back in 2011? Understand my point. Some nurses filed a petition in the court saying that the court should give a mercy killing. Mercy killing, इसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में इच्छा मृत्यु, mercy killing, because her life was waste. As per those nurses, I am not saying again, do not judge me. Those nurses said that her life was waste. What is the value of such life? What is the value of such life when she is not able to smile, not able to speak, not able to understand, nothing? She is just a dead body from past 42 years. एक जिंदा लाश है वो past 42 years है. तो ऐसे में इनके कुछ सहेलियों ने, कुछ फ्रेंड्स ने कोर्ट में केस किया. क्या बोलकर, सर प्लीज क्या करो, जस्टिस दो हमको, एंड इसको क्या दे दो, डेथ सेंटेंस दे दो. गिव हर अ डेथ सेंटेंस so that at least she will die peacefully. And this was filed way back, and it is a reality. Please go and read that in Wikipedia. You can just type Aruna Shanbag and you can just read everything in that, right? I will not go into detail because it is not our topic. I am just trying to prove is that she was gang raped, and after that her friends in 2000, I don't know the year properly, but then their friends properly filed a case in the Supreme Court and asking for the Article 21, right to die. Sir, Article 21 is not right to die, sir. It is life, sir. Yes, but understand, life means which life? Which makes the life meaningful. Meaningful. And if the life is not meaningful, she can ask for the death sentence. Problem is that India doesn't have the concept of death sentence. Mercy killing. Mercy killing is not a statement in India. We cannot give someone mercy killing in India. Right? That is a topic. So this is very important topic to that. Personal life and liberty. But if court did so, it was court didn't give. Now, what I'm trying to say, she died naturally in 2015 due to pneumonia. It is written here. She died normally due to pneumonia. It is written here also. Cause of death, pneumonia. What is written in Wikipedia? See, cause of death, pneumonia. Jabki reality, everyone knows the death reason is not pneumonia. But she died because of pneumonia. But the people asked for the mercy killing, and court didn't give, because that's what I'm saying. What he said, Jatin said. See this line. I will read this line for you people and I will make it full screen for you. On January 2011, after Shanbag is of 37 years in this state from 1973 to 2011, for 37 years the same, Supreme Court of India responded to a plea for euthanasia filed by journalist Pinky Virani, setting up a medical panel to examine her. The court rejected the petition. Underline, focus on this word. Court rejected the petition. Court rejected the petition. What I am trying to teach you is that court rejected the petition. What Jatin is saying. She was not allowed to die. This was Supreme Court case. Read this line. Please read and make sure that it was asked that she should be given a death sentence like this. It is written everything here. This is a very important point. On 7th March, read this paragraph, right? They have filed a case, the guideline were decision to withdraw treatment, nutrition and water, everything to withdraw. If you withdraw everything, no food, nothing, then she will die very soon. So they filed, and then it was decision to discontinue was taken by parents, her spouse and everyone said all this thing. Still court said, sir, India we do not have this culture. And this was a concept of this topic which I have taught you. Very, very important case in the Indian history. And being a CS student, you should know all this thing which I am teaching you. So anyhow, that's what a concept of, right? And now 21A was added very recently, and that was nothing but a 21A, that is called as right of free education. Free education between age of what? 6 to 14. ठीक है? 6 to 14. As a state may determine. Free education was given and everyone has a right to have education, proper education at the age of 6 to 14. After 14, whether he want to study or not, that's perfectly a choice of that person. But at least till 14 years of age, every person has a right to have education. If someone denies that right, it is wrong, right? Anyway, so we have covered everything about the freedom. Now, tomorrow we'll cover the explanation and we'll cover the religion, right? We'll cover these two rights tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we'll cover these two types of fundamental rights and then we'll cover the right of constitutional remedy. So we'll cover 2-3 points tomorrow in detail. Right guys, so we'll stop here today then. It was a beautiful topic which we discussed today. I hope you enjoyed the session and the examples and everything. And as usual, we will stop today and we'll tomorrow cover the remaining part where we cover the next type of fundamental right. So we covered two types of fundamental right. Yesterday we covered the equality, today we covered the freedom. Tomorrow we'll cover two rights, because total we have 6 rights. I hope you remember: equality, freedom, we covered that. Then next is exploitation, we'll cover tomorrow. Religion will cover tomorrow. Educational will cover tomorrow. And last one was 32. If you do not get all the rights, you can file a case to the Supreme Court. 32 number, we'll cover that also. So we'll cover tomorrow all the types of rights, right? Chalo, thank you very much guys, thank you, and see you soon tomorrow again, and we will cover that. And be sure, very soon we will start the MCQs practice also, right? I will give you some MCQs also, and I will give you some practice session also, practice MCQs also for your self test, right guys? So thank you very much, and see you soon again tomorrow. Bye bye, take care, love you guys, bye bye, see you.